What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, EvanEra. Today I'm showing you 5 magic food pranks that you can do at home. So if you're ready, hit the thumbs up button for me and let's go. This first one is a classic. This is the snake cake. Check it out. Okay, here's what you're gonna need to pull off this magic prank at home. You're going to need a cake and a snake. You're going to need some monofilament fishing line, and you're also going to need a cake server. You're gonna start out by slicing a piece of cake just like this, as you normally would. You wanna make it kind of sizable, so like this. Now we're gonna remove this piece of cake, but don't eat it or destroy it because we're going to need it later. So once you have the piece of cake removed, what we're gonna do is take another knife and we're going to hollow out the middle of the cake. And you wanna have a plate or a bowl nearby that you can put this in. Continue emptying out the cake from the inside, and if you wanted to eliminate the snake from this, you can just do kind of a hollow cake prank where somebody goes to take a slice of cake and it kind of just crumbles because it's just the top icing layer. Now you have to have one of these flexible rubber snakes in order for it to work. If you don't have one, stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm going to give him away to one lucky comment. So your next step is to tie a piece of the fishing line right around the head of the snake. Once you have the monofilament tied in place on the snake, you want to make sure you have him coiled up as tightly as possible so that it fits inside the cake and won't be seen. Now we're going to very carefully load it into the cake. So we've got our snake loaded in. On to the next step. Now this brings us back to the piece that we initially cut out. We're going to do the same thing and hollow out the inside of this piece of cake so that the snake can fit inside. And we're going to support this so that it doesn't collapse, and we're going to set it on the snake. Now that you have the piece of cake in place hiding the snake, you're going to take the little piece of monofilament and you're going to tie it around your cake server. But first, you're going to slide the cake server in right underneath this piece of cake. And now we're going to secretly tie this around the base of the cake server so when they pull it out, the snake comes with it. So if done correctly, this should be the only evidence of the prank right here, is this little piece of monofilament, and they probably won't notice that. So you can set this up on the counter in your kitchen or at a birthday party, something like that. Wait for somebody to come along, pull the cake server out, and when they do, the snake will come popping out of the cake and give them a funny magic surprise they will never forget. This next one is the magic drink prank. Check it out. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this prank is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how to set it up right now. Here's what you need to set up this fun prank. So you're going to need a regular cup with a straw in it, a pitcher which you can fill with the same liquid, and this right here, this is the secret to the trick. The difference between these two cups is one is just red food coloring and water, and the other is Jello. So you're going to make some Jello mix. You're going to put the straw down in the mix while it's still liquid and let this set up so that when you flip it over, the Jello holds inside of the cup, and you can use it to do the classic drink throw prank. So all you have to do is make sure they see you pour the drink and then just casually switch it below the table. You can have this one in your lap and it won't spill because it's Jello, and then you can just casually switch them out below the table, bring this one up, and go ahead. And after the prank, you can have a tasty treat, a little strawberry Jello for you. You can barely tell the difference between the two of them. The Jello even kind of jiggles like the top of the drink does. Can you tell the difference which one is which? Comment below, which one is the Jello, the left or the right? So get some Jello and try it out at home. Here's a quick food prank to add a little extra pop to their popcorn. Check it out. Rory, would you like some popcorn?
Yes.
You want salt on it first?
Sure.
Yeah. This is a salt blaster. It's for getting rid of bugs. What this does is actually sprays out salt super fast. So when you release this onto the popcorn, it's gonna spray it everywhere and surprise your friend or family member with a funny food prank. Let's just hope they're not too salty about it. For this prank, they're gonna have a ball. Well, they're actually gonna have like 1,000 of them. This is the refrigerator surprise prank. Check it out. Thirsty?
Come.
Get yourself a fizzy.
What's in that Like you did when you did this. Like you cast it.
What'd you do? Your first step is to clear out the contents of the fridge, so anything that's in it is gonna have to come out. Now once you've got the fridge completely cleared out, your next step is to fill it with ping pong balls, but there's a special way we're gonna do this. So here's how you're gonna fill the fridge. You're gonna lay it down on its side like this. This works easiest on a little drink fridge like this, maybe something in your garage, or a little mini fridge if you're a college student. You're also going to need a ton of ping pong balls. This is about 1,500 ping pong balls here, and these are going to fill the contents of the fridge. As you can see, this is gonna make it a lot easier to fill it this way. All right, we've got it totally filled with ping pong balls now. And once it's filled with ping pong balls, close up the door, set the fridge upright. So once you have the fridge set back in place, you can then just wait for them to go get a drink from the fridge, and you can listen for the sound of the prank being deployed, or if you're impatient like me, you can ask them to go get you a drink, but make sure you set up a hidden camera to capture the reaction. They'll open the door of the fridge, the ping pong balls will come spilling out, and then they'll be left to clean up the mess. You're cleaning it up. Here's a funny food prank to turn a sweet treat into a sour surprise. Take a look. Ava, I made chocolate bananas. Would you like one? It's kind of sticking to the paper. You can have that one. Enjoy. Mm. Ew! This is a pickle. First things first, you're going to melt down some chocolate. Where's all my chocolate lovers at? So the next thing you're going to need is a pickle. We're gonna disguise this to look like a chocolate banana. So we're gonna take a wooden stick like you would use to make a chocolate banana, and we're going to put the pickle on it just like this. Now all we have to do is take our pickle and dip it in chocolate. Roll it in the chocolate just like this and make sure you get it fully coated. Now you're gonna place it on some wax paper to set up. Now once you've given it some time to set up, you're gonna remove them from the refrigerator and your prank is ready to go. Set this out on the counter, wait for somebody to come along, pick it up and take a bite. And last but not least, this one is a super magical looking prank that you can do at home. Take a look. Okay, Ava, this is a classic magic trick. This is the magic milk glass. The little glass of milk right there. And I also have a newspaper rolled up here. You guys can see inside, nothing in the newspaper.
Yep.
So watch. We're going to take the little cup of milk and I'm going to pour it into the newspaper just like this. So a little bit of milk in there. Pour about half the cup. See? Sit that there. Now look, nothing in my hands. We've got the milk inside the paper. Watch 1, 2, 3. Look.
Where's the milk? Where's it out? Where?
Disappeared. The milk magically vanishes just like that.
How?
I'll teach you the secret and you right now. This is a classic magic trick. This is the magic milk glass. So these things are made up of 2 different layers. You have the inner layer and the outer layer. Now stay tuned for the end of the video. If you don't have one of these at home, I'm gonna give one away at the end of the video, so stay tuned, leave a comment below. Take some milk and you're going to fill the milk glass, but you're gonna fill the little chamber. And see there's a little hole right there that I'm gonna attempt to pour this milk right into, just like that. So now the inside of the cup is completely empty, but the walls of it are now filled with milk. Now the next step is rolling up the newspaper. You just take a normal newspaper and you're just gonna roll it up like this into kind of a cone shape. Now the little hole in the cup serves 2 purposes. Not only do we fill the milk glass through that little hole, but that little hole actually drains into the cup when you tilt it sideways. So the milk that's in the walls of the glass will actually drain into the middle of the cup. So it looks like it pours out. It's actually not. It's just draining into the middle of the cup right now. You can see it's starting to fill up like that. As you tilt it sideways, that milk will just leak out right into the middle of the cup. And then you just tilt the glass back and it looks like you poured about half that cup of milk into the newspaper. Really convincing illusion. So you set this aside, no one's paying attention to it at that point. You then take the newspaper, 1, 2, 3, and just let it fall open like this. It's totally dry. You open it up like this, show that there's no milk to be found whatsoever. That is the magic vanishing milk prank. Stay tuned for the end of the video for a special giveaway. I'm giving away the magic milk glass to one of you. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up and share it with somebody you think might like it as well. Hitting the thumbs up on the video really helps with the YouTube algorithm, helps more people see this video, helps spread the magic around the world, and gets more people subscribed to EvanEraTV. We are on that road to 3 million subscribers. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you see all of our videos. And be sure to head over to EvanEraTV.com. That is our online shop. We have magic from all over the world, really cool stuff you can't find anywhere else. The link for that is in the top of the description at EvanEraTV.com. Thank you to everyone who has placed an order on the website. We really appreciate your support. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. You can win a jar of pickles or a pack of Jello. Kidding, those things are not up for grabs. You can win the milk glass, you can win the rubber snake, and maybe I should send someone a salt gun. Let me know if you want to win any of these items in the comment section down below. All you have to do is leave a comment, be subscribed to EvanEraTV, and hit the thumbs up on the video to be eligible to win. Me and the team will be going through the comment section. We'll read all of your comments, so leave me a comment down below. And in fact, the more comments you leave on the video, the better your chances of winning. So comment down below. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway drawing, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway drawing. If you won that giveaway, be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Until next time, you can watch more episodes of How To Magic by clicking the little card right up here. Remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.